Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger, and this video is about drones, American-made drones. I got in an argument with somebody online, which is never a good idea, about the ban on DJI drones in America, or outside of America coming in. And I was like, why? Because we have a lot of them here already. They have factories all over the United States that have them stockpiled, I guess. But also we have American-made companies that make the same type of product. So I wanted to do a little investigation of my own to understand who makes these drones, what products are American-made products. And it's interesting because I love all of that. Not only do I love drones, but I love to learn about manufacturing. And that's what I did. So the first company is Parallel Flight Technologies, which is a company based out of California, and they are geared. They have two types of drones, or two drones so far, but they're large drones, and the drones are made for firefighters. Bringing a heavy load, 100 pounds, to individuals in a firefighting environment, or outing fires out in the woods, bringing them gear, bringing them water, which is really a cool idea and why I wanted to go down this route anyway. So, and the next company that I reviewed is, or am reviewing in this video, is Atella, which they make the Evo drone, or the Evo 2 series, which is more like, it's not quite the size of a pocket drone. It's bigger than a pocket drone, but it's not the size of a Phantom. And it's just cool. I'd love to fly both of these companies' drones, test them out. I'd love to test them out. Anyway, Mainly Dig out. So this Parallel Flight's prototype, this is their first drone that they created. Obviously fairly large. It has two saws that it's carrying, 4 firefighters, and once they're in the field or they're putting out a fire. So I mean, that's huge. That thing's got to be huge. That's something else right there. That's some pretty cool technology. So that was their prototype, their first. This is their beta. This is their product that they're hoping to release soon. They're still testing it out. I know the prototype they've used for a year successfully. So they're still making changes to this one, which is the beta, and it still looks pretty cool. This is obviously a team photo. This is all the individuals on their team behind their beta, or their second drone that they created. You can see, I don't know, it's just a good comparison to see how big the drone actually is. And you can just imagine the capabilities that it has in any, not just firefighting, but or forest fighting, or firefighting in a forest, just in general. There's so many different applications that drones can be used for. So another argument I was having was about civil war in America and the current political climate. I will never be for a civil war in America, but could you just imagine being like, yeah, we take on the federal government, and then have one of these things come up on you? Like, there's no way. This thing's a beast. What are you going to shoot it down with? Maybe like a rocket launcher? Well, like, you never know. Anyway, it just like, I could just imagine myself being like a rebel, or like someone who's trying to fight the good fight, and all of a sudden, oh yeah, great, I'm in the mountains, but here's a giant drone coming after me. Anyway, I just thought about that. Mainly Dig out. The Evo 2 series is a little bigger than, I would say, a pocket drone. A lot bigger than a pocket drone, obviously, but smaller than the Phantom. And of course, it's American made. So I'm guessing it'd take the win pretty well. So all depending on what you want to spend, you could spend close to over $1,000 or spend $2,000 on a bundle deal that will set you up for a while. Even if you're just a basic user, you still have everything you need. I would say this is an awesome deal. It may look like a lot, but for a person starting out, this would be an awesome drone to start with. So this is straight off their website. I asked to use footage or video or photos off the website, and they gave me permission. So with it is a controlled range of 5.5 miles. It has an 8K camera with 4 times zoom, lossless zoom, which is awesome. You can read the rest of it. I mean, it's an awesome drone to start out with. A mid-level drone. I would call it a mid-level drone, and it's fairly easy to operate. I don't know, I just put this picture in because it is festive. It's a Christmas spirit with 2 Evos doing whatever they're doing. It's just a cool picture. Here's a couple choices for the Evo 2 series. The Evo 2 Dual, Evo 2, and Evo 2 Pro. There's a variety in your life, which is awesome. It's just a cool looking drone. It looks like it looks like a bug or an animal. It's kind of cool looking. It's kind of cute. It's growing on me. At first I was like, it's ugly. Not gonna say that out loud, but it has personality. There we go. It has personality.
Hopefully I'll be able to do more of these comparison videos, drone videos for American made drones. I like doing them because it shows like what America has, what America can make when we don't have when we're not relying on other countries. And that is not that it's a bad thing to rely on other countries, and I don't want people thinking that. It's just we as Americans can make products, and we can make good products, and I hope that's what we can get back into. We haven't really gone away from that, but it's still fun. I still love doing and seeing how things are made and produced, and how that company or those companies make their money, and how they are able to manufacture their product. So it's just me. It's fun. I enjoy it. And I'm enjoying my haircut right now. So I'm enjoying having hair, which is an unusual thing. All right, I'll stop talking. Mainly dig out.